Okay. Now, as usual, I can go to point. Okay. In the point, I can create the creation tools and I can go to find out this uh, my existing ground points and I can able to go for a new, and here I can go for PENZD and I can go for the group GG. Okay, I just put GG and apply. So now my points it's showing here. Now I can go to surface because without surface we can create. Go to create the surface. I can go for surface 001. Okay. And under this surface, I can go for the definition. In the definition, I can go for the point group. In the point group, I can add my point group. It's done now, right? Now the point group is done. Now surface also done. Now I can go back to my point group GG and go to property. Temporarily, I can just keep it like style is none, and this style point label style also I keep it none and keep it okay. Now, as usual, I can take my alignment or I can take one polyline. I'll create like this. Okay. This is from object, so I can take it from alignment. Choose the alignment, create alignment from object, or just select, enter. So this is I can put road one, okay, and labels styles alignment style I can go for layout and labels I can keep major and minor and I can just go for okay. Now it's done now. So after that I straight away I can just go for my alignment assembly. So I can just go for assembly. Okay. So you can go for assembly, create assembly. This assembly you should be coordinate with your alignment assembly. So I can just go for uh, road A. I just create the name. So styles basics and all calls you can just keep it. Now you can find out the basic or you can find out the assembly here. So you can, if you want, you can choose any assembly like this. See this already you can able to find out this assembly. So it's already the sample is here. Okay, right. Now you can go to corridor, choose the corridor. Okay, I can create better. I can create one assembly. So I can go for assembly, choose the create assembly. I can just select OA and OK and just apply here. Now I can go for some lanes. I can choose the lane. I can just apply the lane somewhere here. Okay. And I can go for the basics. I can just create the cut and fill. Just apply here. Right. After that, I just select this one. I can go to find out the mirror and select. Now this one is came. After that, I can go for this. This is done. So now I have to apply this one to here. So I created here, I just select, so assemble properties, edit assemble properties. This one done, this one done, this one is okay information. And I can go for properties, row A basics. This one also okay, code also okay, apply. But the problem is the corridor is not, you can go back to corridor. Why it's not getting. I will try one more things. Okay. I can go for assembly. I can create the assembly. So I can create from AA. Okay. Assembly. I can just create from others. Basics. Codes. All codes. Apply. Click. Now I can go to basic lane and I can go for basic things and I can go for, you can add some. This is a shoulder sash you wish you can able to change it as per your project. You will learn that one. First of all, you can just go for SAM. You can just apply mirror done. So currently create the corridor. Why? Okay. Because of you know why we have to just select here. We should be create the surface profile. Add draw because we already create the previous, but here I am not forgot to create. Again, I can just select, go to, I can just select here, right click, go to edit profile style. Can just remove these two. Now I can go to choose, uh, select profile tools, road one. And here I can go for DP01. Okay. And as usual, I can create this smooth profile. Okay. Right now profile is done. Now see, now you understand. Without any surface profile, we cannot able to create. When I create, it's automatically this dialog box is came. After that, now you can go for the corridor. Corridor means road A. Road A corridor we are creating. And alignment also here. DP, we already create the DP. And assembly, I just go for the primary road full section. Or I can go for A or BB. Because we created three assembly, I just create for one assembly and go for the surface and apply. Apply, rebuild the corridor, and you can just apply this. Apply, okay, and you can apply for this. Now what happened? Now see, the corridor is automatically created here. When you create the corridor, after that, you can just select, go for the drive. Now you can just press OK. Now, see, Before it's not much clear. Now when you create this one, now you can understand how how we can able to create uh, the animation of corridor. See, now it's look like, see, these are the things we have to create the shoulders and everything. Okay. The main part is when you create the assembly, after assembly, you can create like a corridor. So that is the main part of this. Okay.